In this video, we will find the difference between rational and irrational numbers. Firstly, let's see what are rational numbers. A rational number is a number which can be put in the form p by q, where p and q belong to set of integers and q is not equal to 0. The numbers square root 16, 3.74, etc. are rational numbers. Because all of these numbers can be written in the form p by q, where p and q belong to set of integers and q as non-zero. For example, if we take square root 16, it can be written as equal to 4, and we can also write 4 as 4 divided by 1. Here we can clearly see that for both 4 and 1 are integers and the denominator, that is 1, is not equal to 0. In similar way, 3.7 can be written as 37 divided by 10. Both 37 and 10 are integers and the denominator is not equal to 0. And similarly, 4 can also be written as 4 divided by 1. Both 4 and 1 are integers and denominator is not equal to 0. Now let's see what are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be put into the form p by q, where p and q belong to set of integers and q is not equal to 0. The numbers square root 2, square root 3, 7 by square root 5, square root 5 by 16 are irrational numbers. For example, if we take square root 2, we know that square root 2 can be written as square root 2 divided by 1. From here we can clearly see that 1 is an integer but square root 2 is not an integer. So the number square root 2 is an irrational number. Because in case of rational numbers, both numerator and denominator should be from the set of integers and the denominator should not be equal to 0. So if we take square root 3, it can also be written as square root 3 divided by 1. And similarly, in this case, the denominator is an integer but the numerator is not from the set of integers. So this number is an irrational number. In the similar manner, you can also prove that these two numbers are also irrational numbers.